Did you know that Instagram lets you send photos that disappear after they've been viewed? Here's how to use this hidden feature. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Instagram's disappearing photo feature. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your Instagram account, tap on the arrow icon in the middle to access your messages. Tap on the person who you want to send a message to. Tap on the camera icon on the bottom left. Here you can take a picture, and then under the bottom left, tap on Allow Replay, then tap on Keep in Chat, and here you can see the View Once option. Tap on Send to send the View Once only photo. Alternatively, if you want to send a photo or video from your gallery, simply tap on the camera icon on the bottom left, then swipe up to access your gallery. Select the photo or video that you want to send, then again tap on the bottom left twice until you see the View Once option, then tap on Send. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye-bye.